Without him, humans might never have left Earth's atmosphere. No satellites, no moon landing, no modern space age. He built machines powerful enough to escape gravity itself. His name was Wernher von Braun, and he helped launch humanity toward the stars. Wernher von Braun was born in 1912 in Germany. As a child, he was fascinated by astronomy and science fiction. He dreamed of traveling beyond Earth. Inspired by early rocket pioneers, he believed rockets were not weapons. They were vehicles to explore space. But the world around him was heading toward war, and his early career would take a controversial path. During World War II, von Braun worked on developing the V-2 rocket for Germany. It was the world's first long-range guided ballistic missile, technologically advanced, powerful, but used in war. This chapter of his life remains controversial and heavily debated. His work was tied to military goals and came at a terrible human cost. Yet from a scientific perspective, the V-2 proved something revolutionary. Rockets could reach the edge of space. For the first time, humanity had the technology to escape Earth's pull. After the war, von Braun moved to the United States and began working with the American space program. He joined what would eventually become NASA. His focus shifted from weapons to exploration. He became a leading figure in developing powerful launch vehicles capable of carrying satellites and eventually humans into orbit. The space race had begun. In 1958, the United States successfully launched its first satellite, Explorer 1. Rockets designed under von Braun's leadership made it possible. Satellites transformed the world: global communication, weather forecasting, GPS navigation, scientific research. Today, thousands of satellites orbit Earth, and it began with those early rockets. Von Braun's greatest achievement came with the Saturn V rocket. It remains one of the most powerful rockets ever built. The Saturn V carried astronauts on the Apollo missions. In 1969, it launched the mission that placed humans on the moon. The success of Apollo 11 changed history forever. Humanity had left Earth, and von Braun's engineering made it possible. Von Braun's legacy is complex. He was a brilliant engineer who advanced space exploration, but his early work during wartime remains a serious moral issue. History remembers him as both a visionary and a controversial figure. His life reminds us that science does not exist separate from ethics. Great achievements often come with difficult questions. Wernher von Braun teaches us engineering dreams into reality can push humanity beyond its limits. He looked at the sky and saw possibility. He believed rockets were bridges to other worlds. Because of his work, satellites orbit Earth, astronauts walk in space, and humanity continues to explore Mars and beyond. Ambition, skill, perseverance. These qualities can reach the stars, but they must always be guided by responsibility.